How's it going, guys? TJ here again with another unboxing for you guys. I am super excited to get into this one. It is the turquoise Nintendo Switch Lite, just released today by Nintendo. Now, some lucky YouTubers got their hands on one early. I was not one of those people, but that's okay. I want to dive right into this. Now, I want to start by telling you can pick this up for $200. And it's available at most retailers in stock with no supply issues. So you should be able to get the color that you want with not any problem at all. And again, it's $200. And there's a couple of key things to know about this, and I'll go into further detail in my review video. But I do want to remind you guys, this is, again, the biggest thing about this Switch Lite is that it is not meant to be used as a TV console, meaning it is only a handheld device. It cannot be docked. But with that being said, let's jump right into this. Of course, I picked up my copy of Zelda Link's Awakening. I was not one of those people that was fortunate enough to play this on my Game Boy when I was younger. I had Game Boys growing up, but I just never, for whatever reason, got a chance to play this game. But the game itself looks amazing. Nintendo has done a great job at remastering it, and the gameplay looks so fun. I am super stoked to get into playing this on my new Switch Lite. So let's go ahead and dive right into the Switch Lite. This is my first time seeing it in person, so let's do it. Open up the little tag here, and then hopefully, there we go. And then just pull it out. And unlike the previous Nintendo Switch where there was like tons of stuff in the box and it was a huge presentation thing, this is just pretty cut and dry, pretty simple. You just pull it out, you flip open the tab, and there it is. The Nintendo Switch is right there. Or the Switch Lite, I should say. Okay, so upon first impression, yes, this is definitely going to be a lot lighter, more comfortable in the hands, whereas the OG Switch is heavier and bulkier. As I said in the past, with the Joy-Cons on the OG Switch, it just makes that handheld feeling a little bit clunky. And with this, you can definitely tell that issue is resolved. Not only does it look gorgeous in this turquoise, but it is just way more comfortable in the hands. Now, for long extended play, the one thought I do have on that is you may still want some grips for this. I mean, I'm talking if you're going to sit there for 2 or 3 hours at a time, you may start to feel cramped up and want some grips. But definitely in terms of handheld mode, this is going to be the superior Switch. So I'll go ahead and take it out of the plastic. And it is just so nice in that turquoise color. And of course, obviously by default, turquoise is blue and green. So some people will say it has a greener tint to it. Some will say it doesn't. But it definitely, to me, feels or looks more like a, I almost compared it to, in photos, it looks like a Cool Mint color, if that makes sense. I don't know if Cool Mint has a color, but that's what it reminded me of. But I guess in person, it definitely has a, I don't know, some YouTubers said a greener tint. I still think it has a bluer tint to it myself, but oh yeah, definitely feels great in the hands. And the material they use feels super nice in the hands. It's a grittier material than the original Switch, I think. Definitely a different feel to it. Ideal for handheld play, for sure. It feels grippy. You're not going to slide out of your hands accidentally. The buttons definitely have a softer feel to them compared to the original Switch. I don't know if you guys can hear that. They're certainly tactile. They're tactile, but they're just softer. Not as loud as the OG Switch. And it's just, I love this turquoise. I'll be honest with you guys, I really struggled with the preloaders because I couldn't decide. I'll be honest, I actually first preloaded a yellow one, but canceled that order because I just thought this turquoise would actually be better for me. And I'm really glad I did that because while I still like the yellow, I think this turquoise is where it's at. Man, is it such a nice color. It just looks fantastic. But with that being said, though, I think I will wrap up this unboxing. Oh, what am I saying? We can't end it yet. I'm showing you the unit itself, but we gotta show you, of course, what else is in the box. Well, surprise, surprise, not very much is left. Literally just the documentation, which I'll take out here. The documentation, as I said, and that can just get tossed over there. And the power adapter, which, if you were curious, yes, it is the exact same power adapter that was included in the OG Switch. So, no difference there. And yes, it still connects via USB-C, in case you're wondering. So that was the unboxing of the Switch Lite. Super excited to dive into this, guys. You know, it's funny, some people are like, well, if you have the OG Switch, why would you care about the new Switch Lite? And to those people I say, it's just because this is definitely geared more towards handheld play. And I'll be docking my OG Switch to the living room TV, and that's where it will live. This will become my handheld console for sure. Definitely feels great in the hands. If you were thinking about picking this up, that you're on the fence about it, I would say give it a try. For $200, you really can't go wrong. Nintendo has priced this very competitively, and as I'll mention in our review video, keep in mind that a key difference here is that this cannot be docked. So, only a handheld device here. So, that being said, I'll leave this video here for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy my content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, peace out for now.